Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all. Hope you have a great day and welcome to a new product review. A few weeks ago I've reviewed the Sony a7 Mark III, my daily camera, which I really enjoy it and I'm using it at the moment. And today we will look at a couple of gadgets that can be an addition to this camera or in fact to any other camera and can help you nail that photo, video or sound that you're looking for. All of this at an affordable price. Today we will look at 10 camera gadgets for less than £35. For all the camera users that like to take a lot of selfies or to vlog all day and your camera doesn't have a fully articulated screen or even a pop-up screen, don't worry, I've got you covered. The screen mirror is easy to use and it uses the periscope imaging principle, which means that the framing image on the normal screen will be projected on the item and you will see the image like in the mirror. How does it work? Just fit it in the cold shoe place at the top of the camera and flip the screen at 90 degrees. Tilt it until you can see the image reflected in the mirror. It is made of plastic, lightweight and feels durable. It has 3 cold shoes for other accessories like microphone or lights. It is a great addition to the camera if there is the need of an articulated screen. It is a cheap option and fix for the external monitor. The next product on my list is a great fix to any lens sizes and any ND filter. It comes as a pack of 7 rings, starting from 49mm to 77mm. They are easy to use, sturdy, made of aluminium, and I didn't notice any scratches on lens or to the filter. The best way I can use them is to get the largest ND filter. In this case it needs to be the 77mm, and with these step-up rings it can be used with lenses starting from 49mm. It is a great way to save a lot of money on ND filters. Just think at it as one size fits all. One item that every photographer should have is the ND filter. What it does, it enables increased exposure times. It reduces the intake of light without affecting the overall color balance. There are intensity filters, but I went for an adjustable fader that has from 3 to 11 stops or from ND8 to ND2000, which means the density of the fader. The higher the number, the less intake of the light. It can be used direct on the lens or with step-up rings. The Macro Professional Camera Cleaning Kit can be used on any mirrorless camera or any DSLRs. Basically, it is a case with loads of stuff inside that helps you to clean the camera and the lenses. There are 4 sensor cleaning swabs, 1 mini box for other small objects, 5 cleaning wipes, 6 cotton swabs, 5 cleaning cloths, 30 sheets lens cleaning tissues, 1 tweeter, 1 20ml cleaning liquid. This can't be sprayed directly on the lens, spray the liquid on a cleaning cloth and wipe the lens. 1 2-in-1 lens pen brush. When this is used, make sure that the lenses are dry and that they don't have any water on the surface. 1 beauty brush, 1 soft brush, 1 air blow pump, 1 pair of gloves. It is very easy to use and the best part is that all of the items can be refilled, or if there is anything missing from the kit, that can be added. This screen protector fits in particular the Sony cameras, the A7, the A9, the RX1, the RX10. You can get it for other cameras as well. It comes in a pack of 3, they are tempered glass and prevent the camera screen from high impact drops, scratches and bumps. I used one already and I got it fitted in the first try. I am happy with the outcome and it actually prevented the screen to be scratched. Because the camera doesn't have an internal storage, the next item on my list is a memory card. The memory card is a must for any camera. Depending on the type and speed, it can do great while taking photos, recording videos or transferring data. This memory card in particular is the Extreme Pro version, which means that it delivers performance with shoot speeds of up to 90 MB per second and transfer speeds of up to 170 MB per second. It is great for shooting 4K videos. There are multiple sizes to choose from, starting from 32 GB all the way up to 1 TB. It says that this is waterproof, but this is something that I do not want to test. Or do you want to see it? Let me know in the comment section below. One of my favorite items on this list is the omnidirectional cavalier microphone from BOYA, the BY-M1, the one that I'm using at the moment. It is designed for smartphones, DSLRs, cameras, audio recorders, PCs, basically everything that has a 3.5mm headphone microphone jack. It is perfect for videos, interviews and even for voiceovers. This is my go-to microphone, and this video is recorded using this microphone. Some of the sound is direct on the video with the mic connected to the camera, and the voiceover is recorded with the same microphone but on my smartphone. For smartphones, switch off the microphone, and for cameras, switch it back on. Failing to do so, it will not record the sound on any of the devices. Trust me, it happened to me a couple of times and it wasn't funny when I had to record everything again. I like it that it is small, easy to use and store. I can take it with me anywhere. It comes with a nice carrying pouch and it records the sound very well. One of my previous review video was about the director's set, which had an electronic slider dolly. You can click on the card above if you haven't seen it already. And the next product on my list is this interesting mobile rolling slider dolly. It is something similar to the director's set, but this one is fully manual and easy to use. It helps to take some dynamic shots on flat surfaces. It is made of aluminium platform attached to 2 axes on wheels, which can be turned to a specific angle. The platform has the angles on it which come in handy while shooting in circles. It also comes with a 7-inch or 185mm magic arm, which helps to set the camera or the smartphone at a correct height or angle. The knob locks all positions. It is a nice and cheap tool to have around to make your videos stand out. My favorite action camera is the GoPro Hero8. Don't worry, this one is not on the list, it is not under 35 pounds. But the next product, it is on the list and it is under 35 pounds. And it is the replacement set from Smartree, and it is compatible with GoPro Hero8. The capacity is 1220 mAh and they look to last a bit more than the original battery. The box contains 3 spare batteries, 1 triple charger and 1 micro USB cable. The charger has micro USB and USB-C ports, and the batteries can be charged using the laptop, a power bank or the USB adapter. These are a cheaper alternative to the more expensive original batteries. The last item on my list is a really small accessories kit for GoPro Hero8. This kit is made of 2 LCD display screen protectors, 2 lens protectors, 3 filters that provide great color correction and improve contrast in various underwater video conditions, a cloth, 12 anti-fog inserts that protect the camera lens from being fogged in cold and humid environment, a rubber case which offers great protection from scratches, it is grippy and works perfect with a wrist strap, and a waterproof, dustproof housing case. Although the Hero8 is fully waterproof, it is great to provide extra protection, especially when diving up to 60 meters or during extreme outdoor activities. Phew! With all of this said, we've reached the end of the video. All of the products are really great gadgets and can be very useful. I will add the links to them in the description below, go check it out and please use them to help grow the channel. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more short reviews like this one. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of other videos that I will upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.